Do you know that some Igbos or all Igbo communities, some of them want to remain slave to Fulanese? Things they happen. I'm going to play this video for you. But before we jump inside, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time when they come across this wonderful channel, you're highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back as they hot. My people, please share this video and make sure say you follow this channel for more updates as they hot. Do you know that some Igbos want to remain slave to Fulanese? Do you know that some of our people are still believing in a story told them by Fulanese? Yes, because I don't know the reason why you'll be denying where you're from, your ancestor. Let me play this video for you to watch. I don't want to talk anything, so we'll come back and continue.
Honestly, I am forced to make this video today to express my anger over the way the Igbo youths, yes, I'm talking about the youths, are so nonchalant in the matters of the Igbo identity and the Igbo situation in Nigeria. There is no sense of emergency in the way we carry ourselves, in the way we handle what we are facing currently, because it seems that every person is sleeping, like nobody understands what is happening. The Igbo youths of today has forgotten that Nigeria has an Igbo problem. There is a current Igbophobic pandemic currently ravaging the senses of some people who feels that Igbos are their problem. That is why I said Nigeria has an Igbo problem. Nigeria has an Igbo problem, but why would any sane person constantly think that Ndigbo are their problems? This is an ethnic group that has never been traced by or traced with invasion of people's lands to forcefully take over, to commit genocide. Why are the sense of urgency so low in the Igbo youths to understand the situation that we are facing and start taking serious that which matters to us? What is happening to my Igbo youths? What is wrong with us? We are carried away. Everybody's thinking money, 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 money. The era is here with us, the social media era that gives us a free access to information. We are busy growing our social media platforms to do some caricature, to do some jokes, to gain followers and make money. I am not saying making money and taking care of your family needs is a problem, but our situation is dire and needs some urgent interventions. An Igbo consciousness, an Igbo identity consciousness, an Igbo cultural consciousness, an Igbo security consciousness should have taken over us. But in our case, no. Igbo youths are letting us down that are in the front line fighting. You all are letting us down. And I'm wondering, you will let us be roasted by some minorities who constantly sponsor attacks on our identity. Igbo this, Igbo that, Igbo that, Igbo this. And you are comfortable following such pages, following such influencers, and you are comfortable with it? Oh no, something must be wrong. You cheer people who are slaying your brothers, and in your mind you say it is not you. Thank God. I bet it will come to you, because they will never love you. They will never love you. It is not possible that someone who hates your father will love you. How is it possible that someone who hates your mother will love you? Never possible. It has never happened. You are next. Your ass is next on the line to be roasted. The time is now to rise up and protect that which is there. In a country that every person points at us with some ethnic laws against us, you are comfortable? No, rise up. We should think back, do some research about the Jews, how they were able to, from the rubbles of their massacres, from the rubbles of their defeats, they rose, they formed the nation, they united themselves, and they are the greatest today. Look at us in Ndigbo. Look at how we invent things. Look at how we turn rocks into gold. Everything that we touch turns to diamond. We are busy running off, investing other lands, leaving our lands desolate. Whichever that happens, they point at us and say, why don't you develop our lands? Does that make you happy? The Igbo consciousness is now. The Igbo identity consciousness is right now. The Igbo national consciousness. Come on, it is right now. Now or never. I am calling on every Igbo youth to join the struggle. To unify Igbos now is now a worldwide movement. We must unify ourselves, then begin to talk. Protect ourselves. Ndigbo. We must know this. We must begin to dialogue. Our strength lies in our languages, our culture. Ndị na-azụ ahịa n'anọ ụbọchị n'anọ, ndị na-awaji, ndị na-eriji, ndị na-emechi, ndị ji ọhụrụ. There lies our strength. Just like the tortoise who is fast enough to lose its shell like it is heavy, you will be naked. Calling on every Igbo person. You are Ngwa, you are Ika, you are Oka, you are Necha, you are Ikwere, you are Okwani. The time is now. The time is now. And especially to my Ikwere brothers, to my Okwane brothers, who knows who they are, who knows their origin, who knows that they are Ndigbo, through our language, through our common affinities. I challenge you all to start now. Do away with all those senseless talk that you are not Igbo, you are this, you are that. We are stronger together. We are stronger together as one people. Begin to push for that identity to be recognized. I have many of you writing me. Begin to form the Unify Igbos Now Forum in your local places. Begin to form it, begin to coordinate. Nobody's going to do that for you. You will do it for yourself. You are capable. Form that forum. Coordinate your people. Coordinate the people who believes in that ideology of Igbo unity. Let us unify Igbos now. My numbers are out there. Write us. Let us begin to do things. Let us protect ourselves. Ndigbo kai ga-abụrịla Igbo kai ga-abụ until the world ceases to exist, which is not possible. Ndigbo kai wu. Ana m ekele unu. Thank you and God bless.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, please share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. I see the hot. So please do not forget also to follow and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. So we'll talk about this video for inside comment section, so try to drop your own opinion over there.